Coming at you again with the follow-up. There is the dovetail joint in focus this time. If that's not a band name, it should be. Dovetail joint. Probably is. Anyway, gonna weld it. Got to snip a little bit of solder. Flame on. Beautiful green flame. Woo! Hot, baby. Coming in hot. This is flux that I'm putting on there. Alright. There's the solder on the end of the pick. Hot pick. Patented. See the solder. Hot, hot, hot. That got a little hotter than I wanted, but it's okay, because that was a fusing. All right. Fusing with the frugal. Adios, amigos.